Let O be the origin and A and B be any two points. We want to prove that OA is perpendicular to OB. We can do it by just finding direction ratio of OA and then direction ratio of OB and then taking their product and adding and showing that that is equal to 0. Let us find the direction ratio of OA. Direction ratio OA is given by just write the coordinate of A, 2, 3, 4 and write the coordinate of origin, that is 0, 0, 0. Coordinate of origin is 0, 0, 0 and take the difference, that is 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got the direction ratio of OA. How about the direction ratio of OB? To find the direction ratio of OB, just write the coordinate of B, which is 1 minus 2, 1. Coordinate of B is 1 minus 2, 1 and subtract the coordinate of O, and coordinate of O is 0, 0, 0. Subtract the coordinate of O. And we obtain direction ratio of OB to be equal to 1 minus 2, 1. Okay, we got the direction ratio of OA as well as OB. Next step, take the product. Once again, take the product. Direction ratio of OA is 2, 3, 4. Direction ratio of OB is 1 minus 2, 1. Take the product. Take the product. Take the product and then add it. How much do we get? We get it 2 minus 6 plus 4 and that's equal to 0. And if this is 0, we conclude that OA is perpendicular to OB. And thus we find that sum of product of direction ratios of OA and OB is equal to 0 and we conclude OA is perpendicular to OB. That is, OA is perpendicular to OB or angle between OA and OB is equal to 90 degree.